Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie, and today we're going to be talking a little about reliability. We had a talk, well, me, and my friend yesterday. We were talking, my friends came over, and we were all chit-chatting and talking about cars, yada, yada. And came to a conversation about reliability and what is reliable. And a long story short, I compare reliability. I was kind of lucky with the cars I own are old, and I don't buy a newer car because I just don't really need to buy a new car. My car works. I have a 4-door sedans. I have a Honda Accord and a Camry, and it's from I call it the golden era of the '05, like early 2000s, when those cars were literally like it's all metal. I don't have much plastic. I'm talking about the engine. I don't have a plastic manifold. Everything is kind of, especially on the Camry. The Camry is fantastic. The starter is right there, alternator right there. I changed everything obviously throughout the years of ownership. No issues as far as the engine, transmission. I know how to change the torque converter. Never had to do any major repairs, axle, whatnot. Everything was fine. I had to change the CV boot, but nothing really major. Brake pad, flush the fluids, and to me, that's what I call reliable. I can access everything myself. Underneath the car, yeah, there's a plastic tray, but the plastic tray is designed so sweet where the oil filter is right there. I can knock out the oil filter and just point it straight down and remove it. We change the oil. 2 seconds on the Camry, you're done. The Honda is a little bit more awkward. You have to put your hand in the back and kind of get to the oil filter. But it's not a deal breaker. I don't have to remove any of the plastic lining to get to the oil filter. The Honda's a more packaged, more compact. The starter is underneath the intake manifold, so it's kind of annoying. You have to remove the intake manifold, so that's an extra step. But hey, no mechanical issues. I mean, really none. I changed these things because they wear out. I mean, I'm talking about the car is like 20 years old, and it has 200,000 mile plus, and I drive them regularly. It's my daily drivers, and I went through everything with it. So it's an awesome car. Now I don't haul heavy weight in it. I don't drive uphill constantly and in mountains, so it's being driven just, what do you call it, average driving. Hit potholes. I see a pothole, this 14-inch wheel, like what's gonna happen? So I think it's 15s, but anyway, so the point is, so reliable. That's what I call reliable. Simplicity, easy to use, and it still looks nice. I'm not driving a car that's like falling apart, rusty, and the roof liner's falling off. It really looks nice. I mean, I just changed the headlights on the car because they were kind of getting yellow. The car looks nice, looks sharp. I love it. Like it's kind of a timeless looking car. I love them. So what I have this image I'm showing you in the back is because this is from Motor Trend. I'm just showing you a picture of cars, and these are all modern cars, and I think they all look sharp. I mean, from the Volvo to the X5 to the Explorer, they all look awesome. But are they reliable? And the short answer is, I think car manufacturers no longer are doing that. No one, people saw what Toyota did and what Honda did, and I think, we're not doing that. That was a mistake, because my Toyota should be broken by now. It should be, and I wouldn't be mad at it. If my car coughed out at 140,000 mile, like engine stopped burning oil, piston ring gone, okay. I mean, knowing me, how much I love my car, I probably would have changed the piston rings and whatnot. Because probably weekend project, take out the engine, send it somewhere, bring it back. But an average person would be like, I got my money worth it. I've been driving it for 15 years. I got 140,000 mile. And what do you expect? But now they're still good. Knock on wood. Now, modern cars are not going to be doing that. I don't think the Volvo XC60 is going to be getting to that point like, here's the oil filter, sir. It's very easy to get into, and here's a serpentine belt. And by the way, when you jack up the car, here's a jacking point. They're not doing that. They want you to take it to the dealer to get that done, because that's money. They want you, and then they want you after 30, 40,000 miles to consider now, trading in for the new one, because you invested $80,000, $90,000 into that car. Why would you want to keep it until the resale value of that car goes to 20, to 10? Are you crazy? What are you doing over here? We'll bring it back. We'll get you a new one. Hey, don't worry about it. Don't sweat it. And now you're getting that revolving door of subscription. I call it a subscription. Once you end up buying a car for that price, you're stuck. I mean, it's not a bad thing to be stuck. You're always going to be stuck with a new car, which is awesome. And I think all new cars are reliable. You see, I'm rolling my eyes, and I'm thinking like, hey, obviously, I mean, if you drive a new car hard, yeah, something's gonna pop up. Like, I don't know if you're racing it. The red line constantly, right? Heavy load. You put a lot of load in the car. That's wear and tear. And let's just say you drive a normal, most modern car. I mean, what kind of car is that gonna last you 40,000, 50,000 miles? What? I mean, I heard some people saying they got a lemon, right? They got a brand new car, and then after 60,000 miles, the transmission went out. But most cars have warranty for these things. Powertrain warranty tend to last over 100,000 miles on most cars. Powertrain warranty, general warranty is probably 60, which you could extend. And I would do so if I buy myself like a Range Rover or something like that. I'll definitely get an extended warranty if I'm planning to drive it beyond that 60,000 miles, which I wouldn't. I absolutely would not. But so that's my point. Of course, what I'm showing is SUVs, not cars, and cars and SUV have different rules. And obviously manufacturing and regulation. At least here in the United States, we have regulation for cars, and everywhere in the world. England has it. Every country has their own regulation when it comes down to cars. From tariffs to how the car is designed, the headlight and the tail light, and yada yada. So putting all that together, car manufacturer want to give you a package, and that's why all these cars kind of look similar. I mean, if you squint your eyes and look at all these four cars, they kind of all look the same. They all look like that egg shape, and they talk about aerodynamic and rolling resistance and MPG and EMPG, and like you spending $90K, you're worried about filling up gas? My car has been paid off for years. I go fill up the gas pump. I'm like, here you go, baby, drink up. It's like, and I don't have direct injection either, so I don't have to worry about like ports getting clogged up. I mean, right now they have port and direct, so because gasoline is a cleaner, right? It cleans the valves regardless, but you're not cleaning no valves when you have direct injection because it just accumulates carbon. But Toyota has like dual injection. Some car manufacturers have dual injection, but anyway, that's a different story. I don't have any issues with my MPG, as long as like I'm not getting like 12, I get what I average. I think I average 23. Yay. Don't bother me. It don't bother me. I put 23. Hey, I'm good to go. So anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you agree? You don't disagree? Again, none of these cars, I don't even know what the hell the oil filter would be on the Volvo. I'm pretty sure it's accessible, but I don't think these cars are sold with that. And they don't sell you any more cars and they give you the manual like this is how to replace the light bulb on this yada yada, as an access. Everything is now take it to the dealership, and the cars are very clever. And yeah, so I kind of feel bad for younger people because you're gonna hold on to this car. These cars are gonna be on the road. They're not gonna leave, right? People are gonna buy them. They're gonna be second hand and third hand, and we'll see. We'll see the rabbit. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe these cars are still gonna be down the road, 25, 30 years from now when I'm an old fart. But as far as right now, what I could see, what I predict is you buy these cars. My friend just had a Golf R. Had it for 3 years, and then he's like, I'm done. Of course he's done. He looks at the value like dropping down. It's like, I'm done. I'm selling it. And that's what happens. What he got the Corolla and the GR Corolla, which I'm not a big fan of, but hey, he enjoys it. It's awesome. So it's a Toyota. I mean, it should be very reliable, right? So anyway, yeah, so that's my thing. So let me know what you think in the comments below. You agree with me? You disagree with me? You think I'm just full of it and you're wrong? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Anyway, as always, have a good one. This is the weekend, so enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.